Hi, welcome to CodeMint. I'm going to show you how to install CodeUI. This is the documentation page for CodeUI. You can find the link on the video's description. Let's check the installation prerequisite. Make sure that these prerequisites are installed and working on your system or your server. These directories need write permission for a script to work. Your server should allow to create symlink. Otherwise, you need to create it manually on the public folder. You need to create a storage symlink and point it to a storage app public folder. Your server must support authorization header and custom headers. If you're trying to install this script on local machine using WAMP, MAMP or XAMPP, make sure your curl finds SSL certificate. You also need Composer, Node and NPM installed on your server or your system if you are customizing this script. So let's move on to the installation part. Before you start with the installation, you have to have a domain name or subdomain name, or if you're installing it on local system, you have to have a virtual host to test your script. Okay, you have to create a virtual host. First, let's download the script and extract it on your system. I've already downloaded it and extracted it here in this directory. Okay, I'm using Mac, so what I'll do is I'll create a virtual host using Valet. Okay. Okay, after creating a virtual host, let's get inside this and follow this installation instruction step by step. If you just do this, you'll see that there is no node modules and vendor directory here. First, you have to run Composer install to install Composer dependencies and run npm install or yarn install if you have yarn installed on your system. You have to run npm install or yarn install to install the npm dependencies, which is inside node modules. So let's do it step by step. We'll do Composer install first. Okay, once this is done, I'll do yarn install. You can also run npm install if you want. Once this is done, your npm dependencies are installed. You can open this in your IDE, whether Notepad or Sublime Editor, this project, and edit the .ini file. Okay, sorry, .env file. Yeah, this is here. Okay, so .env file. You can change the values here. This will be CodeUI demo.test for me. Okay, and you have to create a database. I have already created a database. I'll just put the values here. Username, database username and password. Okay, save the .env file. And then you can go ahead and run this PHP artisan install. This command. This will generate API app key and migrate the database. Okay. Now, this will ask you whether you want to import demo user or not. If you are starting with a new project, this is you'll probably say no. Okay, but I'm just gonna say yes right now. Same question for to-dos. Okay. Now that this is done, you can run npm run dev to build the application. I'll do yarn dev. Okay. You can run both if you want. Okay, so it's already done, and now we can go ahead and test our application. Okay, so your application is installed and working. You can use admin@admin.com, which if you have imported the demo users, this will be available, and password. That's it. Thank you.